Alright, so we're gonna learn how to drop in. This is a brake right now, like your back foot is on the brakes. But as soon as you start leaning forward a little bit, that brake becomes released and you start going. So you want the most minimal amount of time between the brake and being on the ramp or being in the transition as possible. So what you want to do is when you start leaning forward, you're hovering your foot, you're just barely touching, you're gonna suck that knee in as you're pushing down, and then as soon as like you start leaning forward to where you feel like you're about to actually start moving, that's when you spring your front foot out, go almost completely straight, you connect with the transition. All right, so this is what it looks like. Your back foot is the brake, your front foot is hovering, and as you start leaning towards the inside of the ramp, you bend that front knee. You push down like a coiled up spring being released. Alright, when coming out of the ramp, you kind of jump off your board and let the coping bonk your wheels, and it's gonna go to the same spot every time. Like as long as you do it straight, it's gonna come straight up, and you just hold out your hand, just grab it, like so. So you come up, you take your back foot off. Take your back foot off and you launch your board with your front foot so that your wheels bonk off the coping and you can grab it with your hand.